Deep in the lush, dense forests of New Zealand, a truly remarkable creature resides, hidden away from the bustling world. This is the kakapo, a parrot unlike any other. With its mossy green feathers and owl-like face, it stands out in the avian world. But what makes the kakapo truly unique is that it cannot fly. Instead of soaring through the air like its parrot cousins, the kakapo spends its life on the forest floor. It moves with a curious waddle, navigating the underbrush with surprising agility. This ground-dwelling lifestyle is a result of New Zealand's lack of native mammalian predators, allowing the kakapo to evolve without the need for flight. This unusual bird is a testament to the unique evolution found in New Zealand's isolated ecosystems. Over millions of years, the kakapo has adapted to its environment in ways that are both fascinating and extraordinary. Its nocturnal habits, strong legs, and keen sense of smell are all adaptations that have helped it survive in the dense forests. The kakapo story is one of survival against the odds. Once abundant, their numbers dwindled due to habitat destruction and the introduction of predators like rats, stoats, and cats. By the 1970s, the kakapo was on the brink of extinction, with only a handful of individuals remaining. It is a story that highlights the importance of conservation efforts. Dedicated scientists and conservationists have worked tirelessly to save the kakapo from the edge of extinction. Through intensive management, including predator control, habitat restoration, and a successful breeding program, the kakapo population has slowly begun to recover, and it is a story that continues to inspire hope for the future of this extraordinary species. The kakapo's journey from near extinction to a hopeful future is a powerful reminder of what can be achieved when humanity comes together to protect and preserve our natural world. The kakapo, with its endearing personality and unique characteristics, serves as a symbol of resilience and the enduring spirit of nature. The kakapo is endemic to New Zealand, meaning it is found nowhere else on Earth. This island nation is renowned for its unique flora and fauna. New Zealand's isolation has allowed species to evolve in unique ways. The kakapo's preferred habitat is dense, humid forests. These forests provide ample ground cover and food sources. They prefer areas with an abundance of ferns, shrubs, and trees. These provide both food and shelter from predators. The kakapo is a large, stocky parrot about the size of a domestic chicken. This nocturnal bird, native to New Zealand, is one of the heaviest parrots in the world, weighing up to 4 kilograms. Despite its size, the kakapo is flightless, relying on its strong legs to navigate the forest floor and climb trees. Its most striking feature is its plumage. The feathers are soft and moss green, interspersed with yellow and black, creating a beautiful and intricate pattern. This coloration not only makes the kakapo visually stunning, but also serves a vital purpose in its natural habitat. The feathers are predominantly moss green, providing excellent camouflage against the forest floor. This natural disguise helps the kakapo blend seamlessly into its surroundings, making it nearly invisible to predators. The bird's ability to remain undetected is crucial for its survival, especially since it cannot fly away from danger. This camouflage is crucial for the kakapo's survival. During the day, the kakapo remains hidden in the underbrush, relying on its plumage to stay concealed. At night, it becomes more active, foraging for food under the cover of darkness. The kakapo is a herbivore, feeding on a variety of plants, seeds, and fruits. Its diet includes leaves, bark, roots, and flowers, which it forages from the forest floor and lower branches of trees. The kakapo's feeding habits play a significant role in the ecosystem as it helps in seed dispersal and plant growth. Its powerful beak is well suited for grinding tough plant material. The beak is not only strong but also highly dexterous, allowing the kakapo to manipulate and break down a wide variety of food sources. This adaptability in diet is one of the reasons the kakapo has managed to survive in its challenging environment. The kakapo is also known to climb trees using its strong legs and claws. Despite being flightless, it is an excellent climber, often scaling trees to reach food that is otherwise inaccessible. The bird's legs are muscular and well adapted for gripping and climbing, providing it with the agility needed to navigate the forest canopy. It can reach impressive heights in search of food. By climbing trees, the kakapo can access a wider range of food sources, including fruits and leaves found high in the canopy. This ability to exploit different levels of the forest ecosystem is another key to its survival. The kakapo's unique adaptations and behaviors make it a fascinating and resilient species, perfectly suited to its environment. The kakapo is primarily nocturnal. It spends its days resting in burrows or under dense vegetation. As darkness falls, the kakapo becomes active, emerging to forage for food. Its nocturnal habits are another adaptation to avoid predators. During the breeding season, male kakapos engage in elaborate courtship displays. They gather in clearings called leks and emit loud, booming calls that can travel for miles. These calls are designed to attract females. Section 5. On the brink of extinction. The kakapo's unique adaptations, while remarkable, have also made it vulnerable. This nocturnal, flightless parrot, native to New Zealand, has evolved in isolation for millions of years. Its inability to fly and its ground nesting habits, once advantageous in a predator-free environment, became its greatest weaknesses. The arrival of humans in New Zealand brought with them invasive predators. These settlers, unaware of the delicate balance of the ecosystem, introduced animals that the kakapo had never encountered before. Rats, stoats, and cats, all adept hunters, found easy prey in the kakapo. Rats, stoats, and cats decimated the kakapo population. The kakapo, with no natural defenses against these new threats, saw its numbers plummet. Nesting on the ground made their eggs and chicks particularly vulnerable to these predators. By the late 20th century, the kakapo was on the brink of extinction. The once thriving population had dwindled to just a few individuals. Conservationists and scientists were alarmed by the rapid decline and the potential loss of this unique species. Only a handful of individuals remained. These last survivors were scattered across remote areas, struggling to find food and mates. The genetic diversity of the population was critically low, further endangering their survival. The species faced an uncertain future. The remaining kakapos were aging, and without intervention, the species was doomed to disappear forever. The haunting calls of the kakapo, once a common sound in the forests, were now a rare and poignant reminder of what was at stake. The New Zealand government, along with conservation organisations, launched a desperate effort to save the kakapo. Intensive conservation programs were initiated, including habitat protection, predator control, and a captive breeding program. These efforts aimed to stabilise the population and give the kakapo a fighting chance at survival. The dedication and hard work of these conservationists have brought hope to a species that was once on the brink of extinction. Section 6. Hope on the horizon. The conservation efforts focused on two main strategies. First, the remaining kakapos were relocated to predator-free islands. These islands provided safe havens where the birds could breed without the threat of predation. Second, a program of intensive monitoring and supplementary feeding was implemented. Every known kakapo was fitted with a radio transmitter. This allowed researchers to track their movements and monitor their health. Section 7. Guardians of the kakapo. The dedication of conservationists has been instrumental in the kakapo's recovery. These individuals work tirelessly to protect the birds and their habitat. They monitor nests, provide supplementary food, and control predators. The success of the Kakapo recovery program is a testament to the power of collaboration. Scientists, conservationists, and the New Zealand government have worked together to save this iconic species. Section 8. A symbol of resilience. The kakapo is more than just a bird. It is a symbol of New Zealand's unique biodiversity. Its story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things, and it highlights the importance of protecting our planet's fragile ecosystems. The kakapo is also a symbol of hope. Its recovery from the brink of extinction demonstrates that even the most endangered species can be saved with concerted effort. Section 9. Securing the future. The kakapo's future remains uncertain. Its small population size and limited genetic diversity make it vulnerable to disease and environmental change. Continued conservation efforts are essential to ensure the kakapo's long-term survival. You can help support kakapo conservation by donating to organizations involved in the recovery program. You can also spread awareness about the kakapo and the importance of conservation. Together, we can secure a future for this remarkable bird.